Our new Requisition Lists feature allows for all of your desired products to be compiled in one location. With these lists, you will be able to quickly reorder products when needed, and easily plan your orders for upcoming projects. When logged in, your current requisition lists can be seen on the homepage. You can access the My Requisition Lists page by either choosing See More, or by clicking the orange drop-down button on the main navigation, and choosing My Requisition Lists. The Requisition Lists page will show you all of your current lists, including their name and description, how many items are in the list, and when products were last added or removed from them. You also have the option to create a new list from this page. To see what products are currently in a list, simply click View, and it will take you to a breakdown of that list. From this page, you can add products directly to your cart, remove products from the list, rename the list, and even delete it if it is no longer needed. You can also export the lists as CSV files, which will include the SKU and current quantities, or print the list if you prefer having hard copies on hand. Adding new products to a list is very easy. This can be done on either a category or product page. Find the Add to List drop-down, and simply choose your desired list. The Requisition List feature is the perfect way to establish uniformity across orders, and to help you plan ahead for your upcoming projects.